7 Safety Tips for Worksite Welding and Cutting Property and Casualty. 1. Check for fire hazards. Always check for fire hazards before you start welding. Flammable materials should be removed from the area. Flammable liquids should be removed, as well. Never weld or cut in areas with a lot of trees or dry grass. 2. Clean away debris. Clean away any debris on the floor or ground before welding over it. Then cover the ground or floor with metal or some other material that will not burn. It may also be a good idea to wet the floor or ground, though this can cause an added shock hazard. Guard against these hazards as necessary. 3. Seal cracks. Seal cracks so that sparks or slag cannot fall through them, and never allow these hot materials to fall into machine pits. 4. Follow combustible material safety. If you must weld near combustible materials, a fire extinguisher, pail of water, fire hose or pail of sand should be at hand. It may be necessary to have another worker stand by with a fire extinguisher to put out sparks, as well. 5. Follow flammable material safety. If you are welding or cutting a tank or drum containing flammable liquids or gas, do not start your operation until an approved test shows that there is no dangerous vapor present. Do not rely on another employee's word that the tank or drum was tested previously. Insist on a new test before you start. 6. Ensure proper ventilation. If you're working in a confined space at the worksite, make sure your work area is properly ventilated. Good ventilation is one of the best methods of protecting yourself against this hazard. 7. Wear protective gear. Wear face and eye protection, such as goggles and a helmet, to protect against hazards. Workers dealing with metal, chipping and cleaning should always have their helmets lowered to prevent throw particles of metal from going into the eyes. Eye protection, such as goggles, are worn to protect against sparks, slag and molten metal, and flash burns caused by radiation from the welding equipment. Follow these safety standards at your company and work safely without any harm to anyone at workplace. Thank you.